Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So I was very impatiently waiting for this headphone and it is finally here. By the time I open the parcel, I have an important news to share with you, and that is that AliExpress you can get this headphone at $20 discounted price. So I have given a discount code below in my description. So if you are interested, you can use it. So you can see that Theo packed it really good. This is not going to be a politically correct review, but rather it is going to be a very random review, and I'll share my honest opinion with you guys. So this is the headphone, and I will now unbox it, and then I will share my honest opinion with you guys. So I think first I should make an unboxing video for you guys. So you have saw the unboxing, so this is all what you get. So this one is the quick start guide, which most of you may not need, and these are two cables, and it's up to you which one you prefer. And let's talk about the case first. Well, this is a very hard case, and its build quality is very strong, I think. So it's nothing in here, but it will really protect your headphone, and the color of this case is, I think, really good. So you get a very good case in this $150 headphone. By the way, I will give you these discount codes which you can use, and most importantly this one for Fio FT1, and it will be valid for, I think, more than 2 months. So I always use discount codes, and it saves you a lot of money. So if you are interested in this headphone, must use these discount codes, and you will get it in cheaper. And you can see that now it has 115 sales on Fio official store. Now it's 116. And now let's talk about the headphones. Well, these are mind blowing. The feel in hands is very good. It really feels premium, and well, I would not call it a $150 headphone, because in sales or in discounted price you can get it in 130 or 128 US dollar. So in my opinion, this is really a wonderful headphone. It does not look like a budget headphone at all. It looks like a $300 headphone to me, and I am very genuine about it. This is my feeling about this headphone. And this cup is really looking solid, and its build quality is really good. It's strong, and you can see this is also really comfortable. and the headband is also very comfortable, you can see, and it has a very different style to it, and you can see the quality. So quality wise it is really good, and I really like it. And it has only one review and still many people have chosen to buy it. So well, I also wait for reviews, but let's see how does it sound. And I am very excited about it. I think they will sound good, but this is not my final prediction. Let me use it for 1 hour and then I'll come back with my first impressions. So this will be, I think, my first video in which I will come back and tell you about the sound quality of a product in just 1 hour. So stay tuned. Hi friends, I have come up with a quick review and impressions. The full review may come after 2 weeks or may even not, because I think it's a 100% perfectly fine headphone. What could I add more after 2 weeks use? So let's start my quick review. Well, I have used it for I think more than 2 hours, and now I'm going to share my honest opinion with you guys. My first take on this headphone is that it absolutely does not feel like a $150 headphone. I think it feels like a $300 headphone, and why I am saying this I will tell you now. Please first compare it with $300 FiiO flagship headphone FT3. What's the difference between FT1 and FT3? I'm not talking about specs. I don't know the specs difference between these two, but I think the FT3 is packaged really well and FT1 is not. You can see that this is a very cheap packaging, and similarly this thing, so it is a really cheap packaging. So that's one major difference. Similarly, the case of FT1 and FT3 is also very changed. The FT1 is pretty good and solid, I really like it, but the FT3 case is very premium and more luxurious. Similarly, the design difference. The FT3 design is top class and FT1 looks minimalistic but very good as well because of the walnut cups. So if we remove these differences, I think the price difference will be very less. That's why I am saying that this FiiO FT1, the headphone itself only feels very premium and luxurious. The cables are also very top class and are lengthy and very good. Now don't you think if we add a more premium case and make more luxurious packaging, it will definitely be more than $220 to $250. I guarantee you will also feel the same, that this is a very premium headphone which you are getting very cheap. You must grab this opportunity because you never know, its price may get increased. But one thing is confirmed, this headphone is going to be very popular, and I am the second reviewer of this headphone, and I am saying this. Finally, let's talk about its performance. It's very comfortable 100% and fits very well, and 50% of the outside noise is also blocked. And the sound quality is, I don't have words. It feels heavenly, it's beautiful, it's romantic, it is natural, it's sweet, it is everything. Now from audiophile perspective, it's so structured, very detailed and open. The bass is very clear and wide and very natural. Vocals are also very natural, they perform really well. But treble is shy. I don't think that would be problematic. There is no shoutiness, no fatigue at all, and the headphones weight is balanced for me. It doesn't feel weighty but not light either, maybe a little bit heavy. Some of you may think, I think it depends on your head, etc. That's it. Well, I wish to talk more about it, but I think that's enough. Only one sentence for this headphone at the end: cheap, luxurious headphone. If you are interested, I have provided a $15 discount code below. Must use it and save $15. Thank you so much. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comments, and I will try to answer it for you.